Circular driveway, 3-car garage. Well, 2 cars plus a golf cart. Gas lamp. This is the master bedroom. And the master bathroom. Closet. So this is the office. There's a big walk-in closet. And there's French doors going out. The patio is screened in. I'll take you out back in just a second. Microwave, gas stove, dishwasher. And then there is a little wine fridge. My favorite part of the house is this walk-in pantry, because clearly I shove everything in here. But it's nice because it actually has a door. And there is the laundry room. Lots of storage. The attic has foamed-in insulation, which is really nice. A walk-in closet for the boys. And this kind of, hard to see, but it overlooks the pool and the golf course. And we have done all the showers, updated them. This is the elevator. And that's the office. This was a bonus room. We did built-in bunks for the boys. That's just a storage place for their toys. We built them a closet. And we did the bathroom in here. So this is coming down the stairs. That goes outside. My garages are full of stuff, but that's our golf cart garage. And then we have another 2-car garage. This is where the kids, the older kids lived. This was Morgan's room. We actually turned it into a little workout area. It overlooks the pool, but it does have a closet and a door. And then this is their bathroom with a shower. Another bedroom. 2 closets. Some bookshelves. And then there's another master bedroom down here. With a huge walk-in closet that honestly I have full of stuff that I just need to get rid of, but it's got built-in, it's where my kids drop off their stuff. It's time for them to come get it. Anyways. And this is the downstairs master shower. So it's actually got 2 shower heads, bathtub, and then of course the bathroom vanity. And then it also has its own laundry room and its own kitchen, which is also gas. And then Tim's coming to take pictures tonight, so I'll get pictures of the pool. But this is my mudroom. Infrared sauna. This actually is our wine room. It's a little secret door, but it's got its own AC system. And these walls are all concrete, including the interior walls, so it's really kind of a safe room as well as a wine room. And then the pool. It's a huge deck. That's a gas fire pit. I use this as a dog run. Hot tub. And then that's actually a golf course. We don't have it cleared out because Bill likes the privacy, but the roof is new. I can't really think of anything else. It's been painted within the last few years. Okay, I forgot to open to show you the back porch. Anyways, here's the back porch. It's all screened in. And it over next to the pool and the golf course.